This is the 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo S, and if you want to talk sports cars and physics, this is the perfect place to start. The German-made 911 delivers a complete mastery of some of the most important concepts in physics and racing, expertly commanding magical elemental forces such as inertia, velocity, acceleration, force, friction, gravity, and momentum, all while maintaining a near-perfect power-to-weight ratio and supermodel good looks. This 911 has a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged 6-cylinder engine creating 560 brake horsepower and a top speed of 197 miles per hour, all for just $182,000 US. And now, our challenger. This is the also German-made 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Designed as an affordable people's car by Adolf Hitler himself, it had no need for concepts of physics and racing, such as inertia, velocity, acceleration, force, friction, gravity, momentum, and weight. With its puny 96.7 cubic inch air and oil cooled 60 brake horsepower engine and no frill styling, the Beetle set the benchmark for cheap, semi-reliable transportation. Over 1.2 million Beetles were produced in '71, and you could have owned yours for $2,000 bucks. And now the rules. These two Germans will race from our man with the flag 1 mile down the racetrack to checkered flags on cones. The first one to the finish line wins. The Porsche, weighing in at 1,361 kilograms, versus the Beetle, weighing in at just 816 kilograms. Weight and mass will definitely be a factor in today's race. And they're off. As we can see, the 911 has the most force off the line. The traction generated by the friction of the wheels on the pavement from all four tires causes acceleration of the Porsche down the track. As the Beetle struggles to deal with its 816 kilogram mass, equaling force times acceleration, its weight being mass times gravity, its sheer force equal to mass times acceleration, less traction, represented in force produced by the puny motor divided by the Volkswagen's mass, all adds up to the Volkswagen losing by a lot. Of course, we all knew the Porsche would win. It better have. But is there a way to change the outcome of our race by changing some of the physics? Let's find out. And now we take our two German cars to our top secret South Auburn testing facility for our final race to determine if physics can help a Volkswagen Bug beat a Porsche 911 in a 1 mile race. Same Porsche, same Beetle. Both cars will race the same mile distance, starting at the exact same time. First car to complete the mile to the X and flags is the winner. The only small difference is that this time, the Porsche will start at the flags, while the Volkswagen will start its race 5,280 feet straight up in the air. Same rules as before. First car to the finish line is the winner. The Beetle has nearly reached its mile of its target, and the race is about to start. How will the changing conditions affect the Beetle? And how will the sand conditions affect the Porsche? Let's all watch and find out. And they're off. Right from the start, the Beetle can take advantage of potential energy, which is mass times gravity times height, meaning that when the Beetle is dropped from the helicopter, it relies on gravity for acceleration, and not its engine, which is a good thing in this case. We can solve for how much potential energy translates to work, using the equation potential energy equals kinetic energy equals work. I have a feeling that this time, the forces of inertia, velocity, acceleration, force, friction, gravity, momentum, and weight will have a very different effect on the outcome for the Beetle and the Porsche. Who will win? It's so close. And the winner is... I'll just let you be the judge.